Charisma is often considered a natural gift, something you either have or don't. People think of charismatic individuals as naturally charming, persuasive, and magnetic. But what if I told you that charisma isn't just a rare gift? In fact, it's a skill that anyone can develop and enhance. By applying certain psychological techniques, you can make yourself more likable, influential, and captivating. These techniques, often referred to as dark psychological tricks, may sound subtle, but they are incredibly effective in making you stand out. Whether you're aiming to leave a lasting impression in social settings or want to command attention in a room, these methods will give you an edge. Let's explore 11 dark psychological tricks to boost your charisma instantly. Number 1, mirror their body language for instant connection. One of the most powerful ways to build an instant connection with someone is by mirroring their body language. Mirroring, or subtly mimicking the gestures, posture, and even tone of voice of the person you're talking to, creates a subconscious bond. Why? Because people are naturally drawn to those who are similar to them. When you mirror someone, you're signaling that you're on the same wavelength. This can make the other person feel comfortable and understood in your presence, which boosts your likability. However, it's essential to be subtle about it. You don't want to be a direct copy of their every move. That would come across as forced and unnatural. Instead, adopt their body posture or match their pace of speech in a way that feels smooth and natural. For example, if they lean in slightly when they're talking, you might do the same a few moments later. If they tend to speak slowly, slow your speech down as well. Done correctly, mirroring will make the other person feel an instant connection, and you'll come across as more charismatic and in sync with them. Number 2, use the power of the pause. Speak slowly and deliberately. Another trick to enhancing your charisma is learning the power of speaking slowly and deliberately. People who talk too fast often come across as nervous, anxious, or unsure of themselves. On the other hand, those who speak slowly and with intention appear more confident, thoughtful, and in control. Think about some of the most influential leaders and public speakers, how they use pauses in their speech to make a point more impactful. When you pause between sentences or after making an important point, it forces people to focus on what you're saying. It gives your words more weight and authority. Furthermore, when you take your time to speak, it signals that you're not in a rush and you're confident in your message. The deliberate use of pauses also gives you time to think, making you seem more composed and thoughtful. This simple trick can drastically improve how others perceive you, making you seem wiser and more compelling in conversations. People will be more likely to listen closely to every word you say. Number 3, give people your full attention. Make them feel like the only one in the room. In today's fast-paced world filled with constant distractions, smartphones, emails, notifications, it's rare for anyone to get another person's full, undivided attention. This is why giving someone your complete focus can be incredibly powerful. When you focus solely on the person you're interacting with, making eye contact, nodding, and truly listening, it makes them feel valued and important. Humans have an inherent need to feel appreciated and understood. When someone feels like they are the center of your attention, it creates an emotional bond, making them feel special. This sense of value makes you appear more charismatic because people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good about themselves. So, the next time you're in a conversation, try this trick. Put away your phone, make consistent eye contact, and respond to what the other person is saying with genuine interest. You'll be amazed at how much more magnetic you'll seem when you make others feel like they are the only person in the room. Number 4, use touch sparingly to create a stronger connection. Touch is one of the most powerful yet subtle ways to create a deep connection with someone. A light, casual touch, like a pat on the shoulder or a brief touch on the arm, during a conversation can significantly enhance the connection between two people. However, this dark psychological trick must be used carefully. Too much touch or touch at the wrong moment can come off as awkward or intrusive. The key here is to use physical touch sparingly and at the right moments. For example, during a conversation, if someone shares something personal or makes a joke, a light touch on their arm can amplify the connection. This simple act can make the other person feel closer to you on a subconscious level because physical touch triggers feelings of intimacy and trust. But remember, it's important to read the situation carefully. Some people might not be comfortable with touch. When used appropriately, though, it can elevate your charisma, making you come across as more confident and likable. Number 5, use the power of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself. Charismatic people often have an air of mystery surrounding them, and there's a reason for this. People are naturally curious, and when you don't reveal everything about yourself right away, you create a sense of intrigue. This makes others want to learn more about you, keeping their attention focused on you. It's important to strike a balance here. You don't want to come across as secretive or closed off, but you should avoid oversharing too quickly. For instance, instead of answering questions with full, detailed explanations, leave some room for curiosity. This doesn't mean lying or being deceptive, but rather letting others discover more about you over time. By revealing bits and pieces of yourself slowly, you keep people interested. The less they know, the more they'll be drawn to you in an effort to figure you out. This dark psychological trick taps into the human desire for the unknown, making you not only more charismatic, but also more memorable. Number 6, compliment strategically. Feed their ego. Compliments can be powerful tools for building connections and enhancing your charisma, especially when they are given strategically. Everyone loves a compliment, but when you focus on specific qualities that resonate with the person you're talking to, you create a deeper and more meaningful interaction. For example, rather than simply saying, "You look nice today," try complimenting someone's intelligence by saying, "I really appreciate how insightful your ideas are." This not only acknowledges something they value, but also elevates their self-esteem. When you highlight qualities that matter to them, such as their sense of humor, creativity, or unique talents, you effectively show that you recognize and appreciate what they hold dear. This boosts their self-worth, and as a result, they begin to associate those positive feelings with you. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good about themselves, and by using compliments strategically, you can create a favorable impression that enhances your charisma. It's important to ensure your compliments are genuine and specific. Authenticity is key in making your praise resonate. Number 7, maintain eye contact without making it uncomfortable. Eye contact is a critical component of charismatic communication as it conveys confidence and engagement. However, there's a fine line between establishing eye contact that fosters connection and crossing into the realm of discomfort. Holding someone's gaze shows that you are fully present in the conversation and that you value what they are saying. This displays not just confidence, but also respect for the other person. To strike the right balance, aim to maintain eye contact for a few seconds at a time, then break it occasionally. This can be done by looking away briefly to gather your thoughts or to show that you are considering what they are saying. This technique allows the other person to feel more at ease while still recognizing your confidence. It's important to remember that everyone has different comfort levels with eye contact. Being aware of the other person's body language can help you adjust accordingly. By mastering this balance, you enhance your charisma and make your interactions feel more genuine and inviting. Number 8, use humor to disarm and charm. Humor is a universally effective tool for enhancing your likability and charisma. When you make someone laugh, it creates a relaxed atmosphere and lowers their defenses, making them more open to your influence. Laughter can break the ice in social situations, making it easier to connect with others on a personal level. However, the type of humor you choose is crucial. Self-deprecating humor can be particularly effective. It allows you to appear relatable and down to earth, which can help disarm any tension in the conversation. For example, sharing a lighthearted story about a small mistake you made can make others feel more comfortable sharing their own experiences. On the other hand, clever and witty humor can position you as quick thinking and intelligent, showcasing your personality in a positive light. Just be mindful of your audience. What works for one group may not resonate with another. Ultimately, the ability to evoke laughter creates a positive emotional experience associated with you, significantly boosting your charisma. Number 9, display calm confidence. the art of not being overly eager. Calm confidence is one of the most attractive traits a person can possess. Individuals who appear overly eager or anxious can inadvertently convey a sense of neediness, which can diminish their charm. Instead, strive to adopt a calm and composed demeanor in social situations. Even if you're feeling nervous internally, presenting a relaxed exterior can convey self-assurance and comfort in your own skin. This calmness is attractive because it suggests that you are in control of your emotions and don't require validation from others. To cultivate this calm confidence, practice deep breathing techniques or visualization exercises before entering social situations. This will help ground you and reduce any anxiety. By projecting an air of relaxed confidence, you not only enhance your own presence, but also create an inviting atmosphere that encourages others to engage with you. People naturally gravitate towards those who exude confidence, making it easier for you to boost your charisma in any setting. Number 10, be vulnerable, but in a controlled way. Charisma is not about presenting a perfect image. It's about relatability and authenticity. One effective dark psychology trick for enhancing your charisma is to allow yourself to be a little vulnerable, but do so in a controlled manner. Sharing a small personal story or admitting a past mistake can help humanize you and create a deeper connection with others. When you reveal just enough about yourself, such as a challenge you faced or a lesson you learned, it invites others to relate to your experiences. However, it's important to strike a balance. Oversharing can make you appear weak or desperate for sympathy, while sharing just the right amount can enhance your authenticity. For example, mentioning a minor setback in your career and what you learned from it can demonstrate growth without exposing too much personal information. This controlled vulnerability makes you more approachable and likable, fostering trust and connection while maintaining an air of confidence. Number 11, leverage the power of scarcity. The principle of scarcity is a powerful psychological concept. People tend to desire what they cannot easily have. This principle applies not just to objects, but also to human interactions. By making yourself slightly less available, you create a sense of exclusivity that can increase your perceived value in social situations. For instance, if you're always the first to respond to messages or consistently available for every gathering, your presence can become expected and less valued. Instead, consider taking your time to respond or being selective about the social events you attend. This approach communicates that your time and attention are valuable resources. When others perceive you as slightly less accessible, they are more likely to appreciate and value the moments they do get to spend with you. This sense of scarcity can enhance your charisma effortlessly, as people naturally gravitate towards those who seem exclusive or hard to attain. These 11 dark psychological tricks can significantly enhance your charisma and influence in social situations. Remember, charisma is not a fixed trait. It's a skill that can be developed and refined. By mastering these techniques, you'll find yourself naturally becoming the person others want to be around, listen to, and follow. Let me know which of these tricks resonates with you the most in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful psychological tips to elevate your personal presence and influence.